There's Dakota. This is the best Western Davison. Get a view over the lobby. Head down to 1. Go ahead and hit it. This is a ThyssenKrupp from... It's not that old.
It's probably installed within the last 5 to 10 years.
That sounds about right. I'll go ahead and send it up now.
Back to the side.
Good idea. ThyssenKrupp door closer usually works. Loose panel, maybe not. It's actually in really, really nice condition. Like, I actually like this thing.
It's not too bad.
It's not super exciting. Is it 2,000 pounds?
2,100 pounds.
Okay. Yeah, it's...
You want to end the video on one?
We can end up here, just for... You can look over here. There's a big plant and a fan, but there it goes. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Feel free to subscribe and click like if you like what you see, and follow me on the web at isaac24.com. Bye-bye.